We in Denmark, being a small country, we need to take part in the global excitement, this globalization. Why should it be that exciting? It is exciting because it is giving us all new options. We can actually take advantage of these new options because of where we are. We are naturally co-creators. The project is mainly about two things. One, it's about trying to use the interest of our host companies in Denmark to try and seek for markets in emerging economies. Primarily those economies, those countries that are developing rapidly. And in alliance with members of those economies, that means companies from there would engage with companies from here in a co-creation mode where we will try and explore and discover if there is potential of creating a new market. And we propose to do that through this co-creation of lab concept. And this idea of the lab is the key driver, and that is our deliverable. That is where we want to have a tangible session with the different partners. The inspiration of co-creation actually comes from the last EU-funded project. We actually spent 2 years mapping the entire Indian subcontinent, actually India itself, to try and understand which are the companies who actually do IT innovation. And that's where we found this idea of co-creation. That's where we discovered that there were some companies that were doing something beyond what we all understood. Well, we understood collaboration, we understood outsourcing, we understood R&D, and we understood to some extent some elements of innovation. But what these guys were doing, they were doing actually market creation using IT. They were creating new platforms for business. They were creating new opportunities for different sets of companies to take part in. They were creating new ideas on which new markets were going to be designed. That's what gave us the insight to continue on this trajectory. The idea of co-creation is to work cross-platform, not within a platform, which is a little different from collaboration. Collaboration assumes the singularity of a platform. Co-creation doesn't assume singularity of a platform. It assumes commonality of the purpose, but it allows for the cross-fertilization of platforms. In today's world, there has to be this co-creation. There cannot be only Denmark searching for new markets because it won't work otherwise. Indian companies also have interests in Denmark. So it has to be both ways. We have to create opportunities for Indian companies to invest here because they find interesting markets here, where also we give the opportunity for the Danish companies to invest in India where they find markets there.